Tully's mother, you are looking pretty and as always, beautiful.
Thank you, Tully's father. You do look more like a restaurant chef in this attire.
Really, Tully's mother? I didn't knew it goes more like a restaurant chef.
Not at all, Tully's father. You look dashing as you were in college time.
Thank you, beautiful lady. Hope you are having a pleasant time on the love boat here.
Tully's father, hope everything is fine with you. I see you woke up late today as compared to other days.
Yes, Tully's mother. I'm doing good and well. Actually, I had a very beautiful dream about us and was lost in the dream, but all of a sudden I woke up as the cell phone rang. I wish I would see more of the dream.
Dream about us? What on the earth you had a dream this time? As every time you have a very funny dream about us. Not sure what came this time. Hope you didn't see a Godzilla having me on his arms.
Not at all, Tully's mother. This time, I rather had a better one, like something romantic. The previous dream I had of Tully mother is riding a motorcycle with her free hands, and she was more like Khatro ke Khiladi.
I can't believe it, Tully's father. We being romantic in the dream? So many years in real life I didn't see romance, but in dream, wow.
Tully's mother, I really mean it. I did get a dream where we both are moving in a love boat in a river, and I can say that your dress was way beautiful. You looked like a princess. Couldn't take my eyes off.
I really have nothing to say. By the way, as I was dressed like a princess, you would have been dressed more handsome as well?
Yes, but you did mention in dream that I looked more like a restaurant chef in the attire, and then you said I looked handsome.
No ways, I would never say something like that to you. But as being a dream, we never have a control over mind how it thinks or speaks. Now come downstairs for the breakfast and not travel more in your love boat before it gets late.
I really have no control over things. With Tully's mother, she just takes me off the roof from my dream and walks away as every time. Let me go have my breakfast, and as always, it is only the dreams which I know, nothing in the real life. Hope you all know how I feel when someone walks over my dream without letting me tell more about it. It's always been the same. Hope you all liked today's episode, The Dream of My Love Boat, and hope you enjoyed the same. Please like, share and subscribe Tully's Kitchenette for more chats and gossips.